Chantal,
Yes, sir.
what is today's mission?
We are getting up the knob.
Where's the knob?
There somewhere. I don't know, that way.
We're at Mount Seymour right now. It's pretty crusty today. That is whoa! Who needs avalanches when your teammates crash into you? It's alright, he's a goober. Anyway, we're going up that mountain over there. That's the knob. And we're gonna go send it. We got Wen, we got Cal, Chantal, and we got Mick. We got Ben Feltmate. We're going up there, ladies and gentlemen. Got transformed to skin mode. Boards have turned into skis. All right, Nicholas, lead the charge. This is the beginning of the mission right here. So we're checking to make sure all of our beacons work. You seeing me? Yeah, that's Benji. Good. Seema's so beautiful. You guys ready? Just skinning up the mountain right now. Picked our route with the drone. I'm breaking the lead. Killing it, squad. Yeehaw. Chantal has taken the lead. Who's having fun? Thank you. Yeah, good team. She's sending it. That's pretty cool. We have broken through the trees. Cal is doing the final push to get us to the summit. Chantal's packing a little platform out to stand on. Yo! Nothing makes you feel like a boss more than having a steaming cup of tea on top of a mountain. What a good day. Officially at the summit. Woo! Top of the knob, ladies and gentlemen. We got a Canadian Survey Point tie-in. Basically, we're gonna go directly down towards Sema. There's a big pile of trees here that we saw on the drone. You're gonna ski through those, no problem. Then you're gonna cut some really dope lines through the POW. There's another pile of trees about 100 meters below that. When you hit that other pile of trees, go to skier's left, because that's where the POW is. And if you go to skier's right, there's a 40-foot cliff. Bad news bears. Don't hit that cliff. We don't have camera people ready. It's not worth risking because there is no biscuit. Questions?
No, it's pretty much covered everything. We're in no danger of avalanches up here, as Benny would say.
That's right. We're going to dig a pit just down there anyway. I think we're okay to hit this. Worst case scenario?
Yeah.
It's like 38 degrees.
Yeah.
Is your worst case scenario. And this is like 20. Like, we're going to be fine.
We're also almost tree line.
Yeah, that's
like,
true.
We're going to be skiing on this for... What is
30 beautiful seconds of powder. So I think we're good. So I'm gonna bury this pit so the next person doesn't fall in here, and we're ready to hit it. Everybody in agreement? Hit it!
I've been caught up in the slow lane for way too long. Mama wanted them draining wheels off, but I was too far gone. It's like I'm in the zoo. A tiger about to break loose. Can't no cage contain me. You're about to know the truth. Some people doubt, can't box me out. I'm about to take off. I was born to run. I was born to run. Time ain't loose, I can't stop now.
My turn.
I do 100 on a highway. Yeah, I'm racing the wind. You never made it out the driveway. Busy playing pretend. It's like I'm in a zoo. An elephant coming through. Can no cage contain me? Y'all about to know the truth. Some people got can't box me out. I'm about to take off.
Here.
I was born to run. I was born to run. Time ain't no, can't stop now. Never slow me down. I was born to run. I was born to run, baby. Ain't no speed limit on this road. Can't nothing out there stop me. Ain't no telling how fast I go. Pull up for speed and watch
Holy
me.
mother, that is tight.
I was born to run. I was born to run.
Ladies and gentlemen,
And then the second one went like in the middle bit.
our lines. Wow.
We did good, people. We did good.
Some people doubt, can't box me out. I'm about to take off.
See you down there, bud.
Oh no, I shouldn't have stopped.
See you, Ben.
Oh no! Back in action. Clear the camera. Sending it. Woo! Wow. Beauty day, eh? Let's head home. Wow. That was a good run.